Hello, I'm Calli Sarkesh of Compass, and I'm thrilled to be showing you this exceptional townhouse in the Upper West Side of Manhattan at 122 West 73rd Street. Come on in. This spectacular home has just been fully renovated by the illustrious firm Murdock Solon Architects. It spans over 6,600 square feet on 6 levels with 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and 3 powder rooms. We are now in the centerpiece of this townhouse, this beautiful parlor floor, which houses a formal dining room, a sculptural staircase, and a kitchen unlike any you've seen before. I just adore how the staircase takes center stage in the living room. Mr. DeMille, I'm ready for my close-up. With soaring ceilings, bright oversized windows, and a very handsome fireplace, this is the perfect spot for your intimate gatherings. This kitchen undoubtedly is where you'd spend most of your time in this house. I mean, just the sheer size of it. This room is chock full of details. Beautiful custom millwork, top-end appliances, huge marble-clad island, all leading to its own dining area. Imagine having just finished a beautiful dinner with your friends, refill your cocktails, and head out onto the leafy balcony overlooking the garden. I love this bamboo garden, your private sanctuary, just off the informal living room on the ground floor. Now let's take the fun indoors, because there's a lot more to see upstairs. The entire second floor is dedicated to the primary suite. You've heard of a walk-in closet. This is a runway closet. At 20 feet long, this is perfect for practicing your modeling fantasies. At one end, we have this elegant, enormous bedroom, enclosed in a wall of glass, which perfectly frames the beautiful tree outside. The exceptional dimensions and volume of this room allow for multiple moments for you to wind down and close out the day. At the other end of the primary suite is this sumptuous bathroom. This huge room is clad entirely in marble and features a deep soaking tub, a large separate shower stall, radiant heated floors, which, by the way, is a feature that runs throughout the house. And we're not done yet. By the way, if you ever don't want to take the stairs up and down, you can always take the elevator. And finally, we are in the coolest room of the house, the top floor. This room is enclosed by glass, bathed in light, and it serves any mood or activity you desire. You can come up here to read, to lounge, or to work on your tan on its beautiful sun deck. I love these tiered balconies. This is the perfect place for me to say goodbye, and thank you for coming along on this tour with me. I hope you enjoyed it. It's been my pleasure. I hope to see you again soon.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.